Hi all, in this video we are going to see the questions based on bags and balls from probability. Here, drawing a ball from a bag is an experiment and getting a red ball or a blue ball or a green ball is called as the event. Let us see the first example. I have a bag 1 in which there are 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. I have another bag 2 in which I have 2 red balls and 5 blue balls. Now, a ball is picked at random. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Here, when I am drawing one ball, it can be either from bag 1 or from bag 2. So, the final answer will be probability of selecting a red ball from bag 1 or which is plus probability of selecting a red ball from bag 2. As we know, in the bag 1, there are 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. So the total number of balls is 5, out of which 1 red ball is to be drawn and hence favorable cases are 3. So to draw 1 red ball from bag 1, the probability is 3 upon 5. Similarly, for the second bag, the probability of a red ball is 2 upon 7. So the final answer will be 3 upon 5 or which is plus 2 upon 7. So when you calculate, you will get the final answer as 31 upon 35. Now, I will twist the question slightly. In the same question where bag 1 has 3 red and 2 blue balls and bag 2 has 2 red and 5 blue balls. Now, a bag and a ball are picked at random. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Here, we are first picking up the bag and then the ball, and hence we need to factor both the probabilities, probability of a bag and probability of the ball. So the final answer will be probability of selecting bag 1 from both the bags into probability of red ball from bag 1 or which is plus probability of selecting the second bag from both the bags into probability of drawing the red ball from bag 2. So to select bag 1 from 2 bags, we have 1 by 2 into to draw 1 red ball from bag 1, we have already seen it is 3 upon 5, or to select the second bag from 2 bags, we have again 1 by 2 into to select the red ball from bag 2, we have 2 by 7. So when you calculate this, you will get the final answer as 31 upon 70. I hope you have understood the question based on bags and balls. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning.